Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cabbage soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are half a head of cabbage chopped, 4 celery ribs chopped, 2 large carrots chopped, 2 tomatoes diced. We're also going to need a half of a large onion chopped, 4 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're also going to need 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Okay guys, we're going to get a pot and we're going to bring it up to temperature. We're going to add our olive oil in. We're going to let that heat up. Now we're just going to go ahead and add our onion in. And we're going to let that saute. Just for a minute or so. Okay, next we're going to add our celery. I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. We can add our carrots in now. And just go ahead and give that a mix. And let that saute for a couple minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our minced garlic and also our oregano. And go ahead and mix until everything is well combined. Let that saute for a couple more minutes. Okay guys, next I'm going to go ahead and add our 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to mix that up well. And on medium heat, we're going to let that cook for 10 minutes. We're going to place our lid over top. Okay guys, after the 10 minutes is up, all we're going to do is add our tomatoes in. You want to go ahead and give it a good mix. And we're going to put our lid back on and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and put your salt in. And also your red pepper flakes. And we're going to mix until well combined. Now you can start to add your cabbage in. Mix that until it's well combined also. Okay guys, if you want, you can go ahead and taste and see if you have enough salt for you. If you don't, you can add it. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our lid back on, and we're going to cook this on low heat until the cabbage is tender. So I say about another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, our cabbage soup is now done. I'm about to put some in the bowl. Okay guys, as you can see, our cabbage soup is done and it tastes delicious. It's a nice healthy soup that you can enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.